Yo, this is your boy Glitches and Master the Quantum Green Intellect signing in. Peace, family. So today we'll be talking about the aura, but this aura concept is something that most spiritual teachers talk about in their YouTube channels, but today I'll try to illustrate it in a more complex but simple manner, but then it won't sound like those YouTubers because they just reading books and they just repeating what they reading. And I don't like books. I'll be real with y'all. I don't like books. This is true organic information learned from the life. So I don't play with books. They just reading books and they just repeating what's in the books, and what's in the books is already altered. It's already synthetic. It's no longer authentic. It's not real. This is real science. Ouchie. So this what we will talk about today, they don't want it to be known. Let's get this out there. They don't want this to be known. The government doesn't want this to be known. The 13 royal blood families, they don't want this to be known. The fraternal orders, the skulls and bones, the Freemasonry, the Illuminati, they don't want this to be known. Because this is how you attract things to your life, your aura. So let's get into it. The aura is also known as an E.M.F, which is abbreviation of electromagnetic field. Why do we call it an electromagnetic field? Because it's made up of electricity, it's made up of attraction, and it's made up of a space, which is also a body. So it's electric, it's magnetic, and it's also a body or space. That's why it's an electromagnetic field. So we all know what an aura is, right? So there's a question right here. The aura is black. I know you may be like, what the F? The aura being black? I always go on Google and search aura or E.M.F field or electromagnetic field, and they give me pictures of like the aura being purple, just multiple of colors, purple, green, red, yellow, just all colors of the chakras being there, being present. Like, that's pseudoscience. Google won't just tell you the truth. Google is a synthetic, inorganic structure, so therefore everything it presents, most of the things that it presents actually are synthetic. They're not real. So you are actually being led into the darkness. You are losing yourself. You ain't finding the true truth. There's only one truth out here. So you are being misled. Sorry to tell you this though. The aura is black. Why am I saying this? Because the aura is your shadow. It is your shadow. It's your shadow. Like your literal shadow. When you get outside, the sun is out, and you look down and you see your shadow. That's your aura. That is your aura. There's no other way to put it. When you go outside and look down, the sun is out, you can actually see your aura. Your aura is black because your aura is your shadow. It is your shadow. Don't tell me about nothing you haven't seen. Those colors, red, green, purple, and all that. You haven't seen it. This is like physical existence that's out here in this third dimension that you can actually point out. It's evidential. This is your aura, your shadow. So the shadow, which is the aura, is also known as the mass. The mass is your aura. The mass is your shadow. The body is matter. It is matter. What is the meaning of matter? Physical substance in general. So your neurons, your electrons, your protons, your cells combined. That's physical substance, right? In general. So that makes your body. It's constructs that construct your physical vessel, which makes it matter, which makes it physically dense. So the body is matter, the aura is mass, the aura is shadow, the mass is your shadow. Simple, simple. Mass meaning a large body of matter with no definite shape. Mass meaning a large body of matter with no definite shape. So your shadow ain't got no definite shape. Even though it looks like a body and your body actually like, how can I put this? It actually goes around the clock, so it moves around. It's not stagnant just like the body. As the clock moves around, the aura, the shadow moves around, so it has no definite shape because it's not in the same space. I'm not sure if y'all get me. Like if it's 12 o'clock and like your shadow is right here, and then it's like 3 o'clock, your shadow is right here. 6 o'clock, your shadow is right here. It's like changing shapes because it's moving through space. Not sure if y'all get me. It's the same, right? Actually, it's not a print right here. I would have illustrated, but it's not a print. It's the same because it's representing your physical matter, but it's moving around. Therefore, it ain't got no definite shape. So the mass, the aura, the shadow, it's duplicate of the soul. It's a synthetic version of the soul. So that's why people be like, you are charming, you are alluring, there's something about you we cannot point our fingers to, but there's just something about you. That's your soul. That means your soul is pure. That means you've mastered your electricity and magnetism and your space. That's why meditation is important because you go within your space, which is within your body, to increase your magnetism, your attraction. You pull things to your existence, your space, your body. So you electrify, you charge up with your thoughts, which magnifies with your emotions and brings things into your space, which is your existential three-dimensional existence. That's how you actually manifest. I've manifested multiple of stuff, I mean, into my existence that I'm actually proud of. But that's not the topic of discussion. So this is like a visual representation of what I'm talking about. So this will represent the body, which is matter, and the dark aura is your mass. And then charge, which is electricity, and magnetism, which is around, you know, making up your aura, making up your attraction. It's that simple. So you gotta grasp this and you should like actually overstand it. If you overstand it